If it's time to replace your brake pads on your car or four-wheel drive, then make sure that you are getting the correct pad to suit your driving style and your vehicle. Bendix are the market leaders when it comes to brake pads. They have an option to suit almost every driving style, from your mid-sized daily driver, four-wheel drives, loaded up commercials, and even performance cars with specialist brake setups. Bendix has you covered. The Bendix General CT consists of a wide range, with more than 500 parts available to suit the majority of light, small, medium, and large passenger vehicles. They're designed as a direct replacement and built to match or outperform the pads fitted at factory. Utilising ceramic friction technology, which put simply gives you improved stopping performance, low dust, low rotor wear, and awesome pad durability. The Bendix Blue Titanium Stripe gives you braking performance and stopping power straight out of the box, creating the ideal brake pad and rotor surface to give you better braking performance from the moment that they're fitted without time-consuming bedding-in process, saving time and money. Bendix four-wheel drive and SUV have been designed to suit the majority of four-wheel drives and SUV vehicles, using EPR, which is enhanced phenolic resin, to increase the material's strength under extreme conditions such as those that you would experience when four-wheel driving. EPR tech increases the pad's heat resistance at high temperatures. The Bendix Blue Titanium Stripe tech is also included in this series of pad. Bendix Heavy Duty are designed for hard work and vehicles able to carry extra loads. They're great for towing courier vans, taxis, and heavier vehicles like tradies' utes. Using a specially designed insulator, exclusive insulation layer that enables the brake pads to operate in high temperature conditions while still offering longer pad life, improved fade, and improved rotor life. Bendix EURO Plus are a unique pad material designed to suit European vehicles. They have low dust and low noise properties to complement those European designs. The complete European brake pad kit includes any shims, clips, and wear sensors as per the OE specifications. Bendix Ultimate Plus. Well, these pads have exceptional stopping power, which means shorter stopping distances and significant resistance to brake fade at high temperatures. 25% higher than OE stopping power with quieter braking and smoother performance. Improved wear life of brake pads and rotors, low dust, low noise, ceramic technology, improved friction straight out of the box, reduced brake fade. These are designed for performance driving with excellent fade resistance. These truly are the ultimate pad, which only leaves us with the Bendix Street Road Track. And as the name suggests, these pads are suited to the street, the twisty back roads and the racetrack, where brake performance is key to getting those consistent track times, providing low fade and stable friction through all temperatures. This allows you to brake late with confidence. They're a great replacement for your HSV, STI, your EVO, or any other big brake option vehicles. Replace or upgrade your brakes today and put your foot down with confidence with Bendix brake pads.